Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Dear students, in today's video, we'll deal with the topic resettlement and rehabilitation of people, problems, concerns and case studies. First of all, we'll see the introductory part of this topic. Development projects raise the quality and living standard of the people of the country. Many of the development projects have resulted displacement of millions of people world over. Resettlement and rehabilitation is a process of preparing and helping displaced people to cope up with their new environment with physical, sensory and emotional development. However, people replaced due to development projects could not receive that much sympathetic attention and international aid as those who were faced to flee from disaster or conflict, even though the consequences they faced might be much grave as compared with faced by those displaced by other forces. In the past, the dominant view was that large-scale development projects accelerated progress towards the brighter and better future, and if people were displaced along the way, that was deemed a necessary evil. Large-scale displacements, however, give rise to certain socio-economic and environmental problems. In the Article 25 first of United Nations Universal Declaration on Human Rights, it is clearly stated that housing is a basic human right. The World Bank proved as the first multi-layered lending agency that adopted a policy for resettlement and rehabilitation, that is R&R, that is resettlement and rehabilitation. The policy is contained in its involuntary resettlement document released in June 1990. World Bank's operational directive environmental assessment adopted in October 1991 has directed categoric need for environmental assessment of various development projects and solving rehabilitation problems. Now, the second unit of today's video is reasons for displacement of people. That why people are displaced, or what are the specific reasons due to which the people for their settlements can be displaced from one place to the another. Millions of people are compelled to leave their homes and move to other places, cities or foreign countries for various reasons. We'll see some of the reasons. Number one, conflict such as wars between countries, civil wars, ethnic conflicts and religious persecution. Second is natural disasters such as cyclone, hurricane, tsunami, floods, earthquakes, volcanoes and droughts. Number third, environmental disasters such as industrial mishappenings, nuclear accidents, pollution of water bodies, toxic contamination of sites and oil spills. Number four, development projects in various sectors such as construction of dams and reservoirs, irrigation, urban infrastructures, transportation, energy distribution, agricultural expansion, forest conservation, industrial development, etc. Number five, to satisfy economic needs, that is, migration in search of a livelihood or for improving the quality of life. Sixth reason is Forcible relocation by the governments under population redistribution programs as happened in South Africa under apartheid